Having a blast out here with GA Checkpoint. They took us for a half-an-hour journey up there where it's really wavy and bouncy, and best day of my life.
Yeah, I just want to say thanks to GA Checkpoint for allowing this today. It was a beautiful day out. First time on a Yamaha WaveRunner for sure, so super impressed, really smooth, and acceleration was awesome. So just had a great day and look forward to owning one in the future for sure.
Yeah, it was awesome. A lot of power. It went so fast. First time ever on one of these things. Thanks to GA Checkpoint for the awesome event. And look at this wonderful weather. I mean, who wouldn't want to go riding on one of these things?
I'll be on it all day.
It was my first time. Casey and the team was absolutely fantastic and phenomenal. This machine in itself is real fun. You get to, really rev it out. I had a lot of experience doing a lot of donuts in the water. And I think it's one of the best experiences I've ever had so far. Thank you, team. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Hey guys, it's Casey here at GA Checkpoint. After a successful demo day, thank you for everybody that tuned in and saw our videos and showed up. This was an awesome event and we want to be able to have more. So just keep an eye on our socials for more upcoming demos that we will be hosting. And we want to see every one of you guys there and come out and have fun with us because this is what it's all about.